this out. Is this cute or what? These are my daughter's first ski boots when I got her when she was 2 years old. She just turned 2 when we got her out on the skis. Actually, I was just playing around with her, skiing with her on my arm. She got down on the little hill with her skis. Yeah, so my philosophy of getting kids to ski is to have fun with it. And because if they don't have fun, they do not want to do it. That's the basic thing. So what I like to do is just to be able to go out the door, grab a sled, play in the snow, toss some snowballs, make a snow engine, whatever it is, it doesn't matter, as long as the kids think it's fun and they get to hang out in the snow and play with it, you are already half the way on getting them on the skis. Right now I will show you some clips of the day where we took Emma out. Really cold day, -20 that day I think. So while I put these away, please hang on, the clips will be here. We were just skiing up and down there a couple of times, so she got the feel of skiing, and after that we just packed down, ran into the cafe, got a hot chocolate and relaxed for the rest of the day. And it is so cold out here. Gonna get some wood for the fireplace. Take some of the big ones with the bark on and some of these chunky ones. Also these small ones are good.